It's all wet. It's all dead in the morning. And the reason you're going to have a crack, you're going to get a spit in the face.
Shut up. Keep quick.
And you're going to say,
What? Yeah, you did.
no. You repeat that. Not now.
I get out of the bumping.
Ow. What? Yes, you did. Ow.
I get out of the bumping. I went out for you want it then?
What?
You want it then?
No, fuck that.
I just said I get out of the bumping anyway. Do you want?
Yeah.
Hang on, what's it? What's it? Go on.
You got that, please.
What?
I'm going to put that shot. What? No, I'm going to come off Thursday. I'm back on Thursday or Friday. I'm busy with one of the stuff. Nah, there's a fire out.
I see the pictures.
Gone.
I haven't seen it, but I see the pictures.
I've seen it. I've always seen it. Hey, fuck off.
Yeah, see mine.
That's out,
You can take your card, I'm going to talk to it.
I'm speaking it.
Yeah, see the
Whoa. Calm down. Woo.
Hey.
That's going down, man.
What the fuck?
Woo. Look up about an hour. About an hour. Just fireworks that over there.
Okay, go down.
Shit in hours. The point is back. Turn the TV but start off. That's well. You've got like 10, 20 minutes and that's it. These go on so that. These will go for an hour these. Who's the magician? Then other people will light them up. Oh yeah. Oh, look on Liam. Woo! Where you go? Here.
Wait, see them all?
Yes. Listen, mate. I didn't say anyway.
See what I mean? You can't just stop it.
I got some DVD now. No. You can't do it, don't you? Oh, ouch, I would say that. I'm going to have you back and do what's better. Oh, go on, the second one.
What call are you?
Hey! See? Cheers? I don't like it, but... Cheers?
Who did that?
This, she just won it. I'm having it. Nothing. I'm having it. Woo! That's one is that.
Kind of big.
Oh, we need to go to Mark. What? We remember coming down to Coast to Mark about 12.
Now in a minute.
Come on. Hey!